Okay, friends, we're going to finish off today. I'm going to read a book. We might have read it. We might have read this one already in the classroom, but that's okay because that was a long time ago. So the book is "Pigs Make Me Sneeze" by Mo Willems. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want yes. What? A ball, a swim, a hat. Chew. Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Chew. I cannot stop achoo. Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo. What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Chew. Goodbye, Gerald. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo. Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy. Great news. Oh. Remember this from the classroom? I have a cold. Here, I can use this. Good for you. Can you see the pigeon? There he is.